ପାରିବିତତେ ନିଶସମ ଛାଡ଼ିବା ଗରୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ପାରିବି କରି ଅପେକ୍ଷାର କାଳ ସରୁ ସରୁ ଆଚ୍ଛନ୍ନ କରିଛି ରୂପ ଚମତ୍କାର ଦୁର୍ଲଭ ସର୍ବସ୍ତମହିରେ ଆଚ୍ଛନ୍ନ କରିଛି ରୂପ ଚମତ୍କାର ଦୁର୍ଲଭ ସର୍ବସ୍ତମହିରେ ଆଖିରେ ଦେଖେ ସପନ ବହୁ ମନ ଭାଗ୍ୟ ସମହାରେ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ପାରିବି ତତେ ନିଶସମ ଛାଡ଼ିବା ଗରୁ. Channel Khushbu Education. So today we will discuss about LCM. So let's see the definition. LCM of two or more number is the smallest number that divisible by a number is called LCM of that number. So let's take an example. So I write here 18, 36, 36 and 48. Clear? So we find out the answer in prime factorization method of LCM. So I write here first 18, 36 and 48. Clear? So we find out. I write here 18. I divide it in 2. 9 2s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So this is the multiple of number 18. Clear? So I write here is 2 is 1 time, so I write here 2 into 3 is 2 times, I write here 3 into 3. Clear? So then 36, I write here 36 divided by 2. Clear? So here is 18. 18 to the 36. Clear? Then divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. Clear? Then divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Clear? Then 3 1s are 3. So this is the multiple of the number 36. I write here 2 is 2 times. I write here 2 into 2 into 3 is 2 times. So 3 into 3. So then the number 48. I write here 48 divided by 2. Clear? So 24 2s are 48. Then divided by 2. So 12 2s are 24. Then divided by 2. 6 2s are 12. Clear? Then divided by 2. 2 3s are. Clear? So this is the multiple of the number 48. Clear? So here 2 is 4 times, so I write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is 1 time, so I write here 3. Clear? So then we find out the common method. Means here is 2, here is 2 and here is also 2. So I write here 2 into. So here is 2 and here is 2. Here is 2 and here is 2. So there is 2 is in 2 numbers. So I write here 2 into. Here is also 2. So I write here 2 into. Here is also 1 2. So I write here 2 into 3 into. Here is 3. There is 2 3. For 2 3 we write 1 3 into. Here is also 2 3. For 2 3 we write 3. So your answer is 144. So I write here the LCM is 144. The LCM of 1836 and 48 is 141. Then next example, I write here 18, 15 and 21. We find out the answer in common division method of LCM. So let's find out. Here is 18, here is 15 and here is 24. So we divide it in 2. Clear? So 2 nines are here. In 15 is not in 2 table. So left over. So here is 12. 12 to the 24. Clear? Then we divide it in 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12. Clear? Then we divide it. Here is 3. 3 1s are 5 is left over and 4 is left over. Why? Because there is 5 is not in 3 table and 4 is also not in 3 table. Then we divide it. Here is 5. So 5 1s are. Here is 1 is 1. So here is left over. Then 5 1s are. Then 4 is left over. Then here is 2. Here is 1 and here is 1. 1 is 1 and 1 is left over. So 2 2s are. 2 2s are. Clear? Then divide it in 2. Here is 1 1 and here is 1. Clear? So then we write here is 2. For 2 we write here 2 in 2. So for 3 we write here 3 into 3 is 2 times, so 3 into 3 into. Here is 5, so we write 5 into. Here is 2 is 2 times, so we write 2 into 2. Clear? So we write here. So we multiply these numbers. So your answer is 316. Clear? So 316 is the LCM of 18, 15 and 24. So thank you friends. If you like this video, so do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.